everyone. We are Team Stronghold, and today we will answer the question: what makes a successful translator in the era of Fortnite 4.0? So, in the era of technology blooming, I will talk about the things that make successful translator compete with machine in time. So, if someone wants to become a successful translator, he will definitely need the accessibility and adaptability of technology because the evolution of technology is abundant translating tool nowadays. And it's the responsibility of the translator to make use of those tools. There are powerful tools that support translator in the work such as Shadows, B, and translating with a book and a dictionary is quite old-fashioned because there are abundant tools that can help the translator at the moment. So from my point of view, getting used to the technological translation is must. And however, should the translator not forget what makes a translator in the past? The code of ethics, the eagerness to learn new things, and the desire and love for their work. I do think these are the traits that the translator needs to acquire.
So previously I talked about a way to collaborate with machines. Now I will talk about the difference that makes a human translation stand out from machine translating. It is the understanding of the cultural target language. I believe that a good translator is someone that could adapt and rewritten the meaning and the culture from the source language and bring it to the target language without sacrificing any sentimental element. One sentence could have a multiple meaning, especially in high context culture. As far as I know, some factors that could affect the meaning of the text are the context, the culture, etc. Besides learning language, human can learn and understand some cultural factors, then capable of answering why and how a conversation is made. Cultural breeds aesthetic and language. I believe that a soulless machine could not understand the beauty of language, thus could not translate it as accurate and as beautifully as human does. Thank you for listening.